Are you the type looking for a healthy cake soap to brighten your skin, to lighten your skin, to glow your skin? Or you have dark spots on your skin, you have acne on your face, you have blemishes on your face, or you have uneven toned skin and you need a very good healthy soap to use on your skin to glow the skin, to lighten the skin, to brighten the skin, to make the skin very soft, or to clear dark spots and acne on your skin, then this video I'm doing, or this video I'm about to do, is for you. In this video, I want to give my honest review on the new Asantee honey and carrots soap. This is how this soap is. This soap is formulated to naturally bring out your skin glow. It's formulated to exfoliate the skin. It's formulated to remove dead skin cell, and it clears dark spots on the skin. In this video, I will share with you guys who should use this Asantee soap, and also the roles it plays on the skin, how you should use it, and the side effects of the soap. Lovers, watch this video till the end. So beautiful people, this Asantee soap is a herbal soap that is formulated to clear acne on the skin, to clear dark spots on the skin, to remove dead skin cell, to lighten the skin, to brighten the skin, to glow the skin, and also make the skin very soft and smooth. The ingredients that I use to formulate this Asantee soap are honey. They use a carrot, they use vitamin C, they use kojic acid, they use AHA, they use fragrance, they use citric acid, and aqua. You know, it's a very good healthy soap that is made with natural ingredients. Now, this soap is really formulated for all skin type. A sensitive skin person can use it, a combination skin person can use it, a normal skin person can use it, and also a dry skin or a tough skin person can use it as well. But take note, if you are a sensitive skin person and you are using this Asantee soap made with a carrot and honey, and you notice certain side effect on the skin, then you should please hold on. Okay, it's very good for glowing the skin, it's very good for lightening the skin, it's very good for bringing out your natural glow. It exfoliates the skin. It removes dead skin cell. It clears acne on the face. It gives you that kind of healthy, even toned skin, and it makes the skin very firm. This Asantee soap made with a carrot and honey is made from Thailand. And you know, Thailand, they formulate healthy skin products. Okay, so if you need a very good soap to clear your knuckles, to clear your dark armpits, to clear your dark inner thighs, to clear your blemishes, to clear your dark spots, to lighten your skin, to brighten your skin, to glow your skin, you can grab this Asantee soap made with carrot and honey and use on the face. Now, this is how you are supposed to use this soap to achieve a healthy skin glow. All right. First of all, if you want to exfoliate the skin with this soap, then you have to add water to the soap. Sorry, this is how the soap is. And this is the bigger size. You know, we have so many types of Asantee soaps. We have the one made with a carrot and honey. We have the one made with vitamin C. We have the one made with rice. And we have the one made with pawpaw. And they are all good products. They are all good soaps that works on the skin. But then this is the bigger size of this Asantee soap made with a carrot and honey, and it is a new soap that has been introduced to the individuals in the system. Okay, it's a new soap. I just went to the market and I saw it. So when I saw it, I decided to grab it and use it myself and see how effective it is. And it's very good. It smells very nice. I bought two actually, and I have used one already. And this one, you could notice that, sorry, you could notice that it contains scrub. You could see a bit of scrubs inside. And it smells very nice. It smells like carrot. It smells like vitamin C. It smells like honey. And you could also see the body scrub or the scrub inside. First thing before you go to the bathhouse, you need to add water to the soap and apply it all over the skin for like 20 minutes to 25 minutes before you go to the bathhouse. Okay. And those of you having challenges like dark spots, pimples, sunburn, blemishes on the face, you can equally add water to it and apply it on the face. If you have a sensitive skin or you have a sensitive face, don't apply the soap direct on the face. You might end up having sunburn on the face. Okay, but if you have a normal face, you don't have any issue on the face, you can use it on the face towel, add water to it, and use it to wash the face very well. It makes the face very smooth, it's brightening the face, and it makes the face very soft as well. It is good for everybody to use this soap. Okay, and the side effect I've noticed about this soap is that it itches the skin, especially if you use it with a hard water. Okay, and also if you use it and you expose the body under the sun, you end up having dark knuckles on your feet. Okay, and you need to also understand that it's not recommended for a baby or it's not recommended for a child. So if you want to introduce this Asantee soap to your child, make sure maybe the child is within the range of 5 years and above. You can introduce Asantee soap made with carrots and honey for the child. It's good for glowing the skin, it's good for brightening the skin, it's good for exfoliating the skin, and it's good for lightening the skin as well. If you want to achieve a very lighter skin with this soap, you need to use it consistently. You need to use it every blessed day. Okay, and trust me, you are going to achieve a very healthy skin tone. It's good for everybody. You can use it and share your reviews with me or with us under the video. But then, if you have ever used this Asantee soap made with a carrot and honey, you can share your testimony with me or with us under the video. Beautiful people, do what to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be the first to receive a notification from me. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you all.